Hello everyone, welcome back to I guess episode 26 or some sort of that of Kotlin, learning Kotlin life. So today it's writing code day, so let's write some code. And I finally got my pain in my mouth fixed. So minesweeper, that's interesting. In a popular minesweeper game, you have a board, so we need to output the game board. Really? Why is this one 1? Anyway. Alright then. So okay. So this one is just so similar to the one that we already have. So basically, to do it in a very naive way, we can fill the board with zeros and scan for every entry, and we add 1 for the 9 items that are not 8 items, including and adding itself. That's 9 items at 1. So far it's 1 1 1 1, and then we add these 9 to 1, so it becomes why is this one 1 only? Yeah, these are 2 lines. Oh, so it's actually not 9 surroundings. It's actually the up, down, right and left item and the item itself. So this is 1 1 1, and after adding this one it's 1 1 1, and yeah, this does not make sense at all. This should be 0 or whatever. There is 1 and this 8 items, and this is oh, so it does not count itself. Okay, so now it finally makes sense. So it would be 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, and then we add 1 1 1. So this become from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Okay. So that is the naive way, but adding things at a time or batch editing is actually a little bit unwise, but I'm not sure if I can fix that. Anyway, because this is a little Kotlin learning, so I'm not going to go deep in algorithm, so let's do it in an easy way. So first of all, let's create this answer of type, and that's a value. Then we need this answer, actually maybe here, ArrayList. So we know it's squared, so we don't really care about this, but let's be really careful about it. For and count and I think there's a up to, right? Does that mean not including itself? Oh, so it's until. does not, it includes its end, so it's until. That's metrics.length. Val list oh, so this is actually int here equals to ArrayList, I guess. Value list type for index and 0 until matrix 0. That's actually size here. Dot size. We're going to put that list and 0. So this would give us an empty list, which is the same size of the board and it's L0, and then we can start iterate throughing the items. Let's write a function here, check range, and it returns a boolean. I'm wondering if I can write it in a more object-oriented way. Val. I wonder if these are properties. Let's try it then. Val board size late init I hope this is introduced in earlier than 1.2. Can there be a late init var val? Let's first see if this compiles. F? Where's that F? Okay, it's only allowed on mutable properties. How about values? Yeah, I believe there's one of that, but I can't remember how it is configured. Lazy? Yeah, I think it's lazy. Lazy value by lazy. Huh? Oh, it is needed to something when it is first accessed. We can't get it to. So it is not possible. There's no alternative of late init val. So maybe no. By lazy. I'm not sure if this is even possible. I don't think this is possible. It does not, in the scope, it does not know about that. Yeah, it's not possible at all. Okay. So the only alternative that I can use would be a var. Late init var. Alright then. That was just a little practice that I wanted to do with late init and that's Huh? Really? It's not allowed on primitive types? Tell the compiler that count will be initialized later. What's this delegates? This looks so like okay. This is somewhat something that I'm expecting. Is this going to pass? Is this going to compile? I wonder if it only applies to var. Yeah, view cannot be reassigned. And it does not know about delegates. At least in code signals setting. Let's still try this var. Yeah, it does not know about delegates. Also, it's already included in 1.1, but it's not included in the Kotlin. I mean the code signal version of Kotlin standard libraries. Maybe. I think Kotlin import is simply import, right? Yeah. So yeah, there's no way that we can do this here. I mean, this main.kt is going to be merged into some file, so we are not able to do that there. So var and c. Then we can only do it in a Java way. Okay, so check range is Hmm. Index plus offset y. Target row dot set target y. Target row dot get target y plus 1. Hopefully that's the answer. Okay, so we can't initialize it, a list this way. Kotlin, range, array. Oh, so maybe array off. Yeah, into array. Kotlin off. From or off. And the array initializer. Kotlin array off. Actually, I should reduce this. Range of type int array equals to range out of bound. It should be smaller than board size and larger than. Check range target x and check range target y. Count want to set it to add the item at O. Huh? Okay. Get target y plus 1 and set it back to target y. That makes sense at all? That totally makes sense. So, where can it be wrong? This is some technique that I always use because we can't debug on code signal. So the exception comes when we set it. How come? Oh. What? Why? Oh. Yeah, that's every pair of possibility, not including itself. That's 8 possibles. 2 times 2, 4. Oh, so it's also incorrect actually. So we should actually do something like this and return if oh, I need that label again. Oh, actually no, because it's just simply returning from this for loop. Quitting from this for loop itself is enough. But it's still weird that we have so many matches. Oh, we're not checking if it's true. If not, what's the answer? Sorry, it's actually not matrix. Count index break. So that's 1. Why is 2 No, okay, none of these seems to be out of range to me. How about other test cases? Oh, so it actually, okay, it's a matrix, it's not a, okay, matrix length and matrix zero dot length, so definitely it matters. So yeah, it's actually not board size. Okay. So check range, and that would be matrix 0, fuck, 0, and I think that's it. Hey, what happened? Okay, we don't care about it anymore. Come on, do me a favor. It's already 34, 4 minutes past 30. Huh? What's the difference between these two? I don't see the difference. Why is it not passing? Hey. Oh, there's a 1 here? How could this be? So we need to, we're checking what, where? Checking the first true is here, and we need to add 1 1 1 1 1 0 and 0 1, and for the second one we need to add 2 2 2 1 2 0. Huh? It's not adding 1 0 for some reason. Huh? Oh, it's actually here, right? I don't care about metrics yet, so it's here. But does this make any difference? I don't think so. Yeah, it doesn't make any difference. Yeah, I'm always missing some place for some weird reason. Offset X in range and offset Y in range. That's 1, 0. How about doing this now that it's a continuous range? I don't think this is going to make any difference. I mean, it's not supposed to. Huh? Really? If offset X is 0 and offset Y is 0, it is making some difference and it's so weird. Oh, it's actually continue. So that's the reason. Yeah, so it's a pass now. Finally. 10 minutes past 30. Huh? Why? 1? What? Why? Oh, again. Okay, that's so stupid to start confusing between continue and break. Although I don't think this one is actually because of me, because I move it from here to there. But this one is definitely on me. Yeah, so this is a problem we just solved today. Ah, really? Really? Oh, limit exceeded on test 1:11. So yeah, code. We do have some code performance checking on code signal. That's surprising to me. So there is definitely some way to directly construct a board rather than doing so many changes, addings, and yeah, we're going to do that tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So that's all for today. Hope you're enjoying. Let me first take a look if anyone just asked anything. No, I'm not seeing any. So that's all for today. What am I broadcasting? Oh, okay. So I thought I just broadcast something weird. Okay. Nice. So, see you next time. Bye, guys.